This short guide explains how to buy shares of Vestand Inc. using the ticker VSTD. Vestand Inc. is an industrial technology company that builds advanced automation equipment, and it trades on NASDAQ. This is an educational video, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. I use eToro here as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker VSTD to find Vestand Inc. Select the listing that shows NASDAQ as the exchange to open the correct stock page. On the asset page, check the basic company profile and the price chart to review recent movement. Confirm the company name and NASDAQ ticker VSTD to ensure you have the correct stock. To buy, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, carefully review the order details, and submit the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it and set alerts if you wish. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform as demonstrated.